Ever dreamed of taking your home wherever you go? This is the Fiat Ducato Motorhome, your personal cabin on wheels. It's not just a van, it's a fully functional motorhome designed for real adventures. Whether you're off-grid camping or cruising through the countryside, this beast handles it all in style. Up front, the cockpit is loaded with everything you need for long-haul comfort. Cruise control, GPS navigation, a massive windshield for that perfect road view, and yes, it's surprisingly smooth to drive. Step inside and you'll instantly feel the space. A cozy lounge with a convertible sofa, built-in storage, and ambient lighting. It's like a tiny apartment, but on the move. The kitchen's compact, yet totally functional. You've got a gas stove, sink, fridge, and overhead cupboards, perfect for cooking a real meal miles away from the city. And when the day winds down, your full-sized bed is ready. Soft lighting, storage on the sides, and blackout curtains for a peaceful night's sleep anywhere you park. Yup, even a bathroom. With a toilet, shower, and vanity setup, the Fiat Ducato makes sure you're self-sufficient on the road. Need storage? The rear compartment swallows up bikes, gear, and luggage with ease. Everything has a place. Freedom, comfort, and a home wherever the road takes you. That's the magic of the Fiat Ducato Motorhome. If road trips, van life, and smart travel excite you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. This is Car Route 360, bringing you the future of mobile living.